Luca. Daddy. Daddy, Daddy, our life guardian, always around us, the man with a plan, planning our future, securing our lives, and planning the best vacation for us all around. Daddy, Daddy, our life guardian, cooking for us all kind of stuff, the best milkshake and a molten cake, and all the stuff that you bake for us all around. Daddy, Daddy, our life guardian, teaching us all sort of stuff, how to ride a bike and how to fly a kite, and reading the best stories for us all around. Daddy, Daddy, our life guardian, preparing for us all sort of stuff, a weekend camp, best place to nap, and chasing us all around our farm's little ram. Bingo's ball is gone. Bingo and I were playing fetch, playing fetch, playing fetch. Bingo and I were playing fetch one sunny day. I threw the ball a bit too far, bit too far, bit too far. I threw the ball a bit too far, far, far away. Bingo ran to bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Bingo ran to bring it back so that we can play. He came back with nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. He came back with nothing at all, the ball had gone away. I went to go and take a look, take a look, take a look. I went to go and take a look, I looked around all day. I looked for the ball here and there, here and there, here and there. I looked for the ball here and there, but found nothing at all. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, lonely and sad, lonely and sad. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, without his favorite toy. Then there was a knock on the door, knock on the door, knock on the door. Then there was a knock on the door, I opened right away. Our neighbor gave us back our ball, back our ball, back our ball. Our neighbor gave us back our ball, it was stuck in his tree. We all then played together with the ball, with the ball, with the ball. We all then played together with the ball, Here's to you, Mother.
As she laid in her bed, all sick, her kids gathered around her quick. "Mother, tell us what's wrong." "Don't worry, we'll help. We're really strong." But only a weak cough was her reply. She was so tired, and that was no lie. And so, to help, the kids have decided, all as one, with love they were guided.